simple. 5 sheets, 20 feet long, and your self-tapping screws. That's all we need. We'll clean the eaves off earlier on the spring, so it's not as dirty, but give it a quick sweep and a blow. Still gotta clean that stuff up. Okay. So again, a long piece on the outside. There's a little ledge here. You can kind of see it from here. There's a little indent to help overlap it. So you slide it in, slide it underneath the ridge here first. I'll take a step down a bit, so I'll take the pressure off of the eave trough. Lift it slightly up and slide it right under. So from here, we snap them into place. There you go. Sometimes your ladder's in the way, so you gotta lift it slightly out of the way. It's a little easier that way. Now I'm just gonna slide this across. It should be able to latch on to the little divot that's here. There you go. So you'll probably see here that's slightly flush. So I'll put a screw 2 inches from the edge. So 2 inches from the side, on each side, 1 in the middle. One more thing that was useful was that put the ladder about 3 to 4 inches from the edge of the last one. That way, you can easily screw this one without the width of the ladder impacting the middle screw. Then repeat as you get across.